Whew, it's frosty out there. Alright, I think I got some parts came in for that four-wheeler. As soon as I see what they are, I'll determine what direction I'm going to take here. But I do know I need to cut some wood today. Now that the cold starts are out of the way. Guess I should have got the camera sooner, but I didn't think of it. It's cold. Well, I got my log dragged up and on the flat and cut it all up. I ain't split it yet because I work up a sweat, believe it or not, even though it's 20 degrees out there. And I got it up to about 45 in here, 50 maybe. I'm gonna work on this four-wheeler. I got some parts, new brake pads, carb rebuild kit, and a jet kit, but the exhaust didn't come in yet. Doggone it. Anyway, let me get done on it what I can since it's so darn cold. And then if I take a notion, I'll go out and bust some wood. But if I don't take a notion, I'm going to adjust the valves on this thing one more time just to be on the safe side. And hopefully it's a little warmer next weekend. I'll put that motor in. I got to pull that blazer in tomorrow and probably work on it in the afternoon. I need to put some valve cover gaskets on it, fix an exhaust leak, a door and hinge pin, and check out the rear brakes. I bet it needs wheel cylinders. I got to give that back to the man and get paid, don't you know? I got the old brake pads out. I'm a little surprised. I figured I'd have to fight that. Old brake pads, new brake pads. Got a little more than our money's worth out of those old ones. Guess I need to look at this thing a little closer more often. So I got the brakes done and oil in the front differential. A little miss is pulling parts off to paint them. Hope you don't lose all the bolts. Painted that stuff last weekend. But of more concern to me than that, here's the carburetor. I got that off. That's nasty, ain't it? Look at that. That goes on the carburetor like so, and then goes onto the engine. Seems like I replaced that one time before. Seems like they can come up with a better idea than bonded rubber to aluminum. I don't know how to rebond it. I guess I just gotta buy another new one. Ain't that always the way? Well, let me get this carburetor cleaned up so that I can put my new kit in it. It's nasty. Well, I went in the house to relax a minute. I come back out in the garage. Look at what I got here to work on. Alright, can we fix it? This is off of my buddy's skid steer, and we determined it's leaking right there. That's two pieces put together. If you look, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but you probably can't. I think that's sweated together with copper. Anyway, that's what I'm going to try to do. Let's see. I think I got it. And that's copper. Copper wire. And my little torch. Maybe we'll take the wire brush in a minute and prove it. kind of ugly, but not real ugly. I found a hole I had to fix, but I think I got it fixed. We'll let it cool off and test it with air. See there? Copper.
Huh?
Yeah. Copper. Alright, we tested it with air and it's good to go. No leaks. We did have a little pinhole. I had to come back and do it again one time, but I think that's good. How much is a cylinder?
$1,300.
How many?
$1,300.
$1,300. Saved the man $1,300. Maybe he'll give me something nice for Christmas. Alright, now that we got my buddy's little cylinder off his skid steer fixed, I think I'm going to tear into this carburetor and see what's up. See what's up. I'm getting old though. My back aches, so we're running a chainsaw this morning. Oh well. Tell you one thing, this is one mighty complicated carburetor. And pretty nasty inside. Well, not corroded or anything, just dirty. I believe these young'uns have buried that thing in some water or mud somewhere. Anyway, let me keep after it. Of course, I had to get a jet kit and stuff. You know, the exhaust is rotted out, so I got to get a high performance exhaust. You know how it is. Well, I pretty well got it rebuilt, but I got extra parts. Now my friend, Got Milky 1 says it's okay to have extra parts. It's when you're missing parts you got the trouble. I elected to use the original one in the carburetor instead of that one. There ain't no place for this thing, and I can't get this one out of this carburetor. But it's probably okay. And I used a bigger jet than that one. See in there? I got it all boogered up and it ain't coming out. But I think I need to find out. There's supposed to be some plug in this thing somewhere, maybe. The drill out so you can adjust the idle mixture. But I got to do a little research on that. But look who came to see me. And you know what that means? I gotta pack it up.
No.
You're just suggesting that I pack it up.
It's whatever you want. I left it in your court.
Yeah. But the suggestion is there.
Don't let the facts get in the way of a good story.
Alright, ring the bell. Let's call it a day. I'm tired anyways. I can't put the darn four-wheeler together until I get some more parts anyhow. I planned on adjusting the valves on that, but I ain't got to it yet. It's her fault.
Oh, of course.
Well, maybe I'll do that sometime. Somehow. Some way. I need to get that blazer in here, but right now it's a little full. Anyway, I'll worry about that later.
Lacking parts. Yeah.
It's awful cold outside.
Terrible cold.
At least for us rebels down here in the south. We don't know what cold is, do we?
Oh no.
Ain't got a clue. But somebody will tell us.